Windows 7. Yeah, I think it works too, no problem.
Okay.
But yeah, like Windows 7 like is not supported anymore, but I think for VS Code it would work. So you should download it and try. If it doesn't,
Okay.
if it doesn't work, we should like make a call, another call, where you like from the laptop directly, and we download it together. Like if it's not working, but I think it will work. So this is the link. All right, to like first step is to download this one. I'll tell you what that is now. VS Code, and here's the link. This is the first step. I can send you a small PDF at the end, like the things we've done in the video. So let me show you now VS Code. When you download it, it looks like this one.
Okay.
Let me close these because it's another project. Okay.
Sorry. Is it the same with PyCharm?
Is it what?
I mean, is the VS Code the same thing with PyCharm?
Yeah, PyCharm. Are you saying PyCharm? Yeah, PyCharm is the same as VS Code, but PyCharm is for Python. VS Code is for everything.
Okay.
Yeah. You can still write web in PyCharm, but it's better to write here because it's the best editor and it's supported everywhere. So it's basically an editor to edit stuff. Did I record? Am I recording now? Amazing. Yeah. Yeah. So let me open a new project and show you the whole thing. So I'll make a folder. I'll call it Inyene.
Why not use words?
Okay, amazing. Give me a second. I'm making the folder. Okay. So now let me open the folder. It's in the desktop. Okay, we have lesson 1. So we have now an empty folder. So the first thing we are going to do in the empty folder, we will create a file by using this one here. You see this? Yeah. When you create a new file, you give it the name you want. So let's say Inyene.html. You always use the extension .html because I'll tell you what HTML is now. HTML is actually, I write you notes here and I'll send you the file, notes. Okay. So what is HTML? HTML stands for hyper text markup language. So it's not a programming language, it's markup language. So you just like markup stuff. That's why in the HTML you have something called tags. And the tags, you write the tags always like that. For example, we have the tag HTML and you close it. So actually this editor has some extensions which do some automatic stuff. That's why it just wrote this alone. So actually you usually have now you have a tag. I'll tell you more about the tags. So for example, this is an example of a tag. Let's get back a bit for the definition. HTML is hypertext markup language. So it's a language to mark up stuff. So how do we mark up stuff? By using something called tags, okay? So we mark up things using tags. The tags now, if we want to see the tags looks like this one. For example, we have the tag, let's say tag P for paragraph. You open it, you write the paragraph, whatever, and then you close the tag. You close it always like that. So these actually are the tags, this one and this one, and you write something in between. So this is an example of a tag. There are a lot of types of a tag. You have the HTML tag. It's like that, HTML. You always start your tags with HTML. And you have, for example, a tag called body, which represents the body of your code. You have head. You have, for example, H1. H1 is heading one, so it's a big heading, the biggest heading. And you have H2, which is like a big heading, but a bit smaller. H3.
Like a subheading.
Yeah. So now we know that HTML is a hypertext markup language. We mark things using tags, and the tags looks like something like this. And it always the tag, we always open the tag, write something in it, and we close it. And at the same way, tags can be in each other. So for example, we can have a tag P here, and we can have like the P in HTML, and so on. But for sure, there are some tags which are special. Each tag does something. So let's come back here. So when you download the HTML, the best thing to do is to click here on extensions. Okay. When you click on the extension, right here HTML to install any extension which is called this one, snippets. It helps you by writing. So when you write, it helps you, it corrects for you, it helps you writing the stuff in a correct way, and so on. Are you getting me till now? Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one thing you want to download. Okay. This here, the HTML snippet. I'll make you a photo of that. It's called. Okay. I'll send you the photos later. Okay. So you download it, and you download something else. It's called live. You write live, and you have live server. Okay. I'll make you a photo of that too. It's called live server. This one. You download it. These are two things you want to download. When you download them, everything will be easier. Then you have the right extensions for the S code. When you download the go live, you have something here called go live. You just click on it, and it will open the website for you here. It's now empty because everything is empty here. Okay, so let's try now to write here and to see what happens in there. So for example, if I just write random text here and save and refresh, I'll see that it's written here. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? It's written here. Yeah. So whatever you write, it will appear there. So let's actually start writing the tags, okay? Because we always write tags in HTML. So the HTML skeleton always starts with HTML, okay? Because it's HTML skeleton. Actually, this tag, if you save and go there, it doesn't show anything if we refresh, okay? It's just a tag doing nothing. You should just like study that. In HTML, we have tags, and the tag that we always write is HTML, and we have two other tags which we always write. One is called head. So in the skeleton HTML, we have head and we have body. Okay. So usually in the head, we define stuff. For example, which language are we using here? If you want to link another files, we link them in the head. And in the body, we write our code usually. Sorry. In the body, we write our code usually. So for example, in this case, let's start writing anything here, random text, and save. We'll see that we can see them here. Yes. Okay. So let's now try to use these tags we learned about, which are like the H1, the H2, the H3, the paragraph. Let's start making something which is called paragraph. This is a paragraph. I'll just write in it Inyene has a goal to be a web developer. And then if we come here, we'll see Inyene has a goal to be a web developer.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
yeah, here's the point. Let me just make it standard 100. I'm just changing the zoom. I zoomed that in to let you see. So now I will use the same text, but using H1 and copy this text and paste it here in H1. And then we have H2. Before H2, let me show you what happens there. Now we are writing the text 2 times. We have it in a paragraph, we have it in H1. If we go here, you see, you have paragraph, you have H1. H1 is bigger and bolder.
Yes, yes, yes.
Amazing. You are laughing. Yeah,
That's funny.
that's the start. It's very easy. And then we have H2, for example, and we write it in it the same thing. If we come here, you will see H2, it's a bit smaller.
Yeah.
100%, yeah. And actually you have till H6. So if we just copy this line and paste it and change it into H3. So we have now H1, H2, H3, and we have H4. Let me change this to H4. And so let us paste it two more times, and we do H5, and then we write here H6. So what I basically done here is just like written the same thing in different tags. We have Inyene has a goal to be a web developer. And in the tag paragraph, and the H1 tag, H2 tag, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Let's see what's happening now here. Are you seeing that? It's like kind of stairs. This happens because this is the H6. The H5 is much bigger, H4 is much bigger, H3, H2, and H1. And this is the normal paragraph.
Yes.
Yeah. So actually, that's always the start, like to start with something like that. I'll not start with the images now because you need to apply these before we start with the images. But I will give you like a better example. So, and there's something you should learn, which is to comment. You can do always a comment, okay? So to comment these, do you know what I mean with comment? For example, if I write something here, is this gonna appear? Is this here gonna appear, this text? What do you think?
What you just wrote now?
Yeah, are you hearing me?
Please come again.
Yeah, it will come here, 100%. Yeah, and actually, you can make it invisible.
I thought you'd be showing error because there's no tag attached to it.
Oh, that's a good thing. In HTML, everything in HTML you can write HTML without skeleton. You can write here, it will show them. That's HTML. It's like that, okay. You know. It understands text wherever, but it doesn't understand tags wherever. But actually, if you write here H1, it will work too. You know. So HTML works. Whatever you write here, it will work always. But if you have a tag and you keep it open, like this one, for example, let me keep it open. You'll have some errors here. You see, you have some errors. Now you have this paragraph. It's big. So you have errors, but not red errors. You just like have something wrong. So if we bring it back now, you'll see it's smaller now, which is the right one. Yeah. So this is HTML usually. It's very easy to learn. Let me comment this one. To comment this one and to we don't want to see this one. We just put it in a tag. This tag starts with this exclamation mark. Now if we go there, we will not see it. And actually we can put all of these in the same thing. You see? Now actually there is a shortcut on the keyboard to make that for an easier way. That's, do you know why are we not seeing anything?
No.
Because I commented everything. I commented that. Do you see they are now green? So if they were like this one, if they are like this one, they will appear.
Okay.
Okay, but if I come here and I write a tag, let's say, tell me something you want to hide.
What?
What do you want to hide? Choose what do you want to hide?
I'm a software developer.
What?
I am a software developer, for example.
Okay, so you wanna, yeah, you wanna comment this one.
Yes.
To be, yeah, this is a hard part. You should like choose. I wouldn't start with that. That's a bit harder. Like choose one from these. Like for example, choose P or H1 or H2. Which one do you want to choose? P. So let's hide P. To hide the P, you come to the first here. You open the tag like that. You put exclamation mark. You write 2 dashes. And now you see everything is getting green. And then you go to the end of the line, you put two dashes and you close the this one, the tag. So whatever you wanna comment, you put it inside these. So in the notes here, if you want to comment something in brackets to hide it, write it in between. Actually put it in between these, which are like this one, and then you write something here and then you close. Okay, so whatever you have between these will not appear. Even if you have here a P, even if you have here a P, it will not appear because it's hidden. Yeah. Yeah, so that's why if we go here and we see we have hidden or commented this one, that's why when we come here we'll not see it. You see we've started directly with the big one, which is the H1. That's why if we actually
okay, let's try H3.
H3. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what should I write? What should I write to hide it? To hide the H3?
The same thing you wrote at the at the P.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. But as you see, if you just open that and you don't close it, it will hide everything. Because you didn't close. You just said here like hide, and you didn't say till here. So you should tell the compiler, hey, hide H3. So that's why you stop here, as you said. And now if we look here, we are not having actually H3 because this is H1, H2, and then we have H4.
Yes.
Yeah. And the same thing, you can do it for everything. So if you do it here, if you start from here with exclamation mark, okay. Give me a second just to bring it back as it was. Let me hide everything. Okay, so what do you say? What should I do to hide everything? Where should I do these things to hide everything?
Just put the exclamation mark and the 2 dash.
Okay. Like this one. Like this one.
Yeah.
100%. Now we commanded everything. But now if we want to write something here,
Okay.
would it appear?
If you close it, that means it will not eyes, Abi, right?
100%, 100%. We should close it always. That's better always to close the command because actually we need the body to stay there. The body doesn't affect anything. That's why we should close it always here. 100%. Yeah. Now if we close it, it will not make any changes, but the change is here. So whatever you write here now, it will appear. Just between these, nothing will appear. That's why let's now make something nice, okay, for you. So let's make H1 and write any first and save. And now we have this one, okay? And then we have, let's say, paragraph. In this paragraph, I will use something like random text. It's random text. You can download it. You can write whatever. I just used random text here, copy paste. Okay. So you got the point, or is it confusing?
I'm following you. I understand.
Okay, good, amazing. So I just added random text. Let me add more random text to just copy paste one more time. To make it much bigger. So now we have something like a website. Are you seeing? That's it, like very easy. Now we still don't have pictures, we still don't have a lot of stuff, but you see, now we have like a title and we have something, which is a blog, which is a great start actually. Let me put the laptop in the charger. Give me a second. Yeah. So I wanted to ask you, like, if you can do these now, can you do them now? Like, I would be with you, like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And if you like, you can open your laptop and we can do it together. Do you want to do it together? Or should I give you that as a homework for, I don't know, like for...
Yeah, let it be as a homework.
Okay, okay. So, okay, amazing. Okay, I will send you, I will send you these and the video, okay? I will send you the video, like a link of the video. I'll upload it. I'll upload it on YouTube, but I will not make it public. So it's private. And then I send you the link so you can see it, but it's not public. Just you can see it and me.
Okay.
And then we can actually like, I'll share the code with you. I wanted to help you. Do you know this one, GitHub? Do you know this website? It's called GitHub.
No.
You can basically upload code on it. For example, I send you a link. Okay, let me do something like that because it's useful to use it. For example, let me send you something like from here. Give me a second. That's not important now. Okay, now. So for example, I send you something. So you open the link. So you open the link and you have the link like there, here. Then you have this page. When you have this page, you just click on this code. Do you see the code? You click on it. Are you seeing the code?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. You click on it and you download zip. So you download the code. Then you have the code actually. Okay. So the homework is very basic. I will upload now this one up and I will send you the link. You can download it and see it. And like there are 3 things to do, like download VS Code. After downloading VS Code, write basic things and download this project. I think that's an amazing project to do at the first point. Yeah. And after that, I'll give you a homework to start to build this one we've built here, like basic. But if you say you want to have more, I can always give you more. There are always more to have. It's just about like you giving you that step for step.
Let me start with this one first.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's the point. Yeah, to try first this one. Okay, I will send you the link. Give me a second. I will send you the link, and I've sent you the link of VS Code. So the homework is to download VS Code and download the code. So first download VS Code, and that would be great. Okay, and if you don't achieve this one to download the code, it's okay, but it's easy to. I'll send you that. I think you can do it. And yeah, okay. So actually, when you download VS Code, it will look like that. Okay, it will look like that. It will open a new window. It will look like this one. You see? Yeah. So basically, it looks like that. Just like create new file, name it whatever, but remember to put point HTML, and we will see. Okay. And if you need any help, let me know. I'll help you always. Okay. And
okay.
like on the weekend, we can always call spontaneously. I will help you with anything, and I hope I can help you to reach your goal.